Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Chandraman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you what is substation, why we need it, and what the component between the substation. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. What is substation? A substation is a part of an electrical generation, transmission and distribution system. Substation transform voltage from high to low or the reverse or perform any of several other important functions between the generating station and consumer. Electric power may flow through several substations at different voltage levels. A substation may include transformer to change voltage level between high transmission voltage and lower distribution voltage, or at the interconnection of two different transmission voltages. The power transformer, circuit breaker, bus bar, insulator, lightning arrestor are the main component of an electrical substation. Why we need substation? To satisfy load growth. When people or businessmen move to a new location that has little to no power supply infrastructure, it might make a case of building a substation close to the community. Supplying the new load from remote substation is insufficient because relevant more power is lost as heat on the distribution line. To accommodate new generation, say you want to build a wind farm or a solar farm, see the proposed renewable project here. You will need a collector substation to tie all the generator and connect them to the power grid. To maintain reliability requirements, at time a new transmission line are constructed by developers or public utilities to address congestion in the power grid. Congestion occurs for a variety of reasons explained here. Therefore, when building new transmission line, an effort is made to connect it to an existing substation. When that is not possible, a new substation is built. To step up or step down AC voltage using transformers. Remember, higher voltage mean lower currents yielding to lower copper losses, thus more energy can be delivered to do useful work. Voltage at the distribution in need to be stepped down for utilized by customer. Substation provide the necessary real estate to install a transformer for power transmission and distribution to break the power flow. Quite often a fault such as a tree touching a live wire requires complete isolation of the line unit. The fault is removed, breaking the power flow by merely placing some switches on the line will not work. To safely interrupt thousands of amperes, you will need circuit breakers that can handle such high currents magnitude. Almost all substations contain circuit breaker in some form that trip and isolate transmission line connected to it. Provides support to the power flow. Unlike DC power flow, AC power flow needed to overcome not only the resistive impedance but also the impedance offered by the inductive nature of various equipment like motor loads, transmission line, reactor, etc. connected to the system. For this reason, substation have capacitor bank connected to the three phase of the line cases the power flow. Doing so also improve the power factor the electrical system. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends, share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.